It's fall and it's Halloween. You can see it's colorful and beautiful. And I'll show you our garden. It's decorated with webs and stuff that you will see in the video. The first thing is RIP, means R.I.P., rest in peace. There's something underneath it. It means that someone is dead. On to the next one. There's spider webs on it, and there's not only spider webs, there's also orange stuff and leaves sticking out of it. And the next thing will be the tree house. We also decorated with webs and other stuff. And I'll see you when I'll be in it. But first, I'll show you the stairs. The stairs are also covered with webs and it's beautiful. We did the treehouse because we loved it, and we decided to do it. So I'll see you in upstairs. We're back, and as you can see, we're in the treehouse, and you can already see we were there, and now we're here. There's a small table here to sit on. Actually, not sit, but put things on it. And there's more webs to decorate our treehouse more beautiful. We also decorated our treehouse window, and as you can see, there's a fire and my dad there. You saw it, the fire at the video, on the start of the video. And this treehouse is pretty beautiful.